Welcome to your practice. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, let's take a moment. Feel the breath as it moves through the nose, let the shoulders soften, allow any tension to melt away. Before we begin moving, let's take a moment to balance our breath with alternate nostril breathing. This simple practice helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and bring harmony between the left and right side of the brain. It's like pressing the reset button, helping you feel centered and focused as we move through the flow. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through your left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger and exhale softly through your right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril, close the right and exhale through the left. Continue at your own pace, allowing each breath to be smooth, quiet and even. Let the breath return to normal. Gently blink the eyes open. Come to child's pose, knees wide, arms extended. Let your forehead rest down. Come up to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arc the back, lift the chest and tailbone for cow. And exhale, round the spine, press the floor away for cat pose. Repeat at your own pace, a couple of rounds. Extend your right leg out to the side, foot flat. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, thread it under the left arm, shoulder and ear come to the mat. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Left leg out, left arm threads under. Come back to the tabletop and bring your right knee forward into pigeon pose, hips square, soften over the front leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, fall forward. Hold for 5 to 8 breaths. Switch sides. Left leg forward. Tuck your back toes, lift your hips up and back, downward dog. Pedal out the feet, feel the whole body lengthen. Step or jump to the top of the mat. Inhale, arms rise, exhale, fall forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step or jump to plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. From downward dog, lift your left leg, bend the knee, open the hip, flip the dog to wild thing. Inhale, lift your heart. Step your left foot forward, warrior one. Open to warrior two. Reverse warrior. Left arm reaches up and back. Side angle, left elbow to thigh, right arm extends. Plant your hands, lift your left leg, three-legged dog. Shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. Step the left foot forward, high lunge. Exhale, shift your weight to the right. Half squat, left leg straight. Turn to the right foot, plant hands, downward dog. Come to the top of your mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Flat back. Jump to plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog and exhale, downward dog. Lift the right leg and come to wild thing. Bring your right leg forward for warrior one. Hold here for a few breaths. Open to warrior two. Reverse warrior. And side ankle. Bounce back to the mat. Right leg up for three-legged dog. Flow through chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg forward for high lunge. Squat to the left leg, right leg extended. Hands to heart center. From here, turn to the left and go to downward facing dog. Start to walk your hands gently forward. Feel your heart softening toward the earth. Maybe your forehead or chin comes down. Let's slowly melt into this moment. Feel the stretch across your shoulders and upper back. Stay here for a few breaths. Now lower all the way down onto your belly, resting your forearms softly on the mat. Elbows aligned under your shoulders. Lift your chest just enough to feel length through your spine, like you're opening your heart to the sky. Keep your neck soft, your gaze gentle, maybe just a little ahead of you. Here slowly and fully. Gently roll back onto your mat and bring your legs up to the ceiling. Use your hands to support your lower back as you lift your hips toward the sky. Find that steady balance here, neck relaxed, shoulders grounded. If this feels strong for you today, remember you can always rest your legs on a wall or support yourself with cushions. Close your eyes if that feels good and just focus on your breath. From shoulder stand, slowly guide your legs overhead, toes reaching toward the floor behind you. Keep your hands steady on your back or release them gently to the mat. Let your shoulders open, your neck stay soft. This stretch is like a gentle release for your spine. Breathe deep here, let each exhale soften your body even more. From shoulder stand, slowly with grace bring your legs down. Soles of your feet together, knees falling open like butterfly wings. Let your arms rest by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes if you want and soften into stillness. Stay here as long as you need, letting your practice gently come to a close. Hug your knees and softly rock side to side. Now gently release your legs down to the mat, letting your feet fall open naturally. Extend your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes and let your whole body soften completely. Feel the steady rise and fall of your breath as it flows effortlessly. This is your time to rest, to absorb all the energy and calm from your practice. Imagine a gentle light glowing, warm, steady, and radiant. The light is the balance you cultivated today between effort and ease, movement and stillness, breath and body. With each inhale, feel the light grow brighter, filling your whole chest with calm and kindness. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Allow this peaceful energy to settle deeply within. Know that you can carry this calm with you off the mat and into your day. Stay here for a few more breaths, wrapped in this feeling of balance and openness. When you're ready, slowly start to bring gentle movement back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When it feels right, press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Thank yourself for showing up to this practice today. Namaste.